Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you an amazing trick from that you can change your maximum upload size. As you can see, there is the maximum upload size of the file is 30 MB. This may be different, and I'm going to tell you an amazing trick. How can you change the limit of your WordPress website in the easiest way ever? Go to your plugins and click on add new and search big file, and you will see a big file upload source here. Install it, click on install and then click on activate, and then here you can see the big file is uploaded. Click on settings and you can change it to any size if you want. Let's say 500 MB and save it, and then you go to media, add new, and you can see the upload size has changed, and you can change it from here easy.